What's the difference in this process?
Rather than being down here and coming down here and doing it, you can do this too if you don't mind.
Yeah.
It seems to be a little bit easier to not have your weight on it and to do.
So what you're saying is once you started, basically got your weight is holding the first sections or two in place. Now you switch around and just
go this way. And then what you do is put it there. You tug your gap at the same time.
I got you.
So you pull it back out. And then I go back each row when I'm done, and I check my gaps. But it's just going in. And then go back in and just check your gaps. Like right here, you got more gap than you need. Just come in here and take them, line them up, slide them in, and then I pop the middle down, the end, and the end. And you can hear when I undo it, they snap. So in, pop, hold, pop. Let's come next one. In, pop, pop.
Right.
Okay, the corner pieces come. And all you do is take the panel, pick it up, line these up, and snap them in.